I was sitting there and I was just going through my script that I prepared to say, and I just thought to myself, why am I even relying on a script when this is our story? And so I just want to give this script to the Stephen, please. Today mark exactly 87 days since the ethnic violence erupted in Manipur. And this is our story. For me to come here, to stand here in Delhi, all the way from Manipur, though I am from Manipur, I cannot access the airport in Manipur. I have to go by road all the way to Dimapur. You know why? Because if I step my feet in the valley that is Imphal, I can just be killed. And this is not exaggeration. They are meticulously hunting for even a single soul. And Chief Minister, Mr. N. Biren Singh, is talking about peace. How can he talk about peace when he wiped the entire kuki-zo existence from the valley? How can he? I am shivering not because I am scared. I'm shivering because I feel the pain. I have seen the murderers. I have seen that every time I close my eye, the mental trauma that I go in. Who is going to pay the price of that? Who is going to pay the price for all the trauma that each one of us are suffering right now? While I was coming in the air, while I was taking a flight, my tears was just consuming me, and there was this lady who was sitting next to me. She asked me, why are you crying? Is there anything that is bothering you? How can I tell her that I am broken? How can I tell her that I'm broken? Physically, mentally, spiritually. How can we, as kuki-zo community, how are we going to recover from this trauma? Today, as I stand here, there are so many young people in the frontier defending our land. Today, I want to talk about a young man, the story of a young man. His name is Lhing Doungel. He was 19 years. You know what he did? He fought like a fierce lion, protecting the chastity of his sister. He died while protecting the chastity of his sister. And today, I want to pay respect to Lhing Doungel, a kuki-zo man. He had the potential to be the best in the country, yet he died protecting his sister. And I want to tell, if you're listening, Lhing, you did not just protect your sister, you protected me, and you protected all the women of kuki-zo community, and I'm so proud of you. Today, as I stand here, I want to say this with 100% affirmation that heaven stands as a testimony of what we have gone through. We have nothing but the truth, and the truth will set us free. Our national motto says, truth alone triumphs. And today we have nothing but the truth. There is no exaggeration of our struggle. We have faced the worst ethnic violence in 21st century. And what is the central government doing? I have to come here to express my pain. The state government has failed us so miserably. So miserably. We went knocking, begging. Why do we have to beg when we're citizens of India? How dare you call us refugee? We have the same blood as yours. We fought for this Indian independence, and we're so proud of that. I am Indian and I will die as Indian. You know, for everyone present here this evening, I want to say, we as a tribal, land is the center of our being. We breathe through land. It is so intrinsically connected and related to us. And we will do anything to defend our land. But I will also say that we as a tribal, we intentionally, purposely international law says about war? It says that no medical ambulance, okay? In no circumstances can they be cause any harm. And the dominant community, I don't know why they are progressing backward. You know what they did? That was a breach of law, international law, when the Merapaibis, they burned not just one soul, they burned 3 kuki-zo people alive. And you know what? There was a 7-year-old boy who was on his way to seek medical help. And whenever I think about it, it just sends shivers down my spine. And I don't know where to ask for help. I don't know where to ask for help. Because our president, he's busy with his visitation. I don't know where to go and seek for help. I don't know where kuki-zo community will seek for help. Who is going to come and rescue us from the clutches of evil? Today, as I stand here as a kuki-zo woman. I stand here as someone who has been broken not just once but multiple times. And it's gonna take forever for us to recover. But you know what? I'll tell you. We will rise. We will rise from the ashes. We will rebuild. Everything that you have destroyed, we will build. How dare you play with our bodies? How dare you play with our soul? You think that you won the war? No, the moment you touch woman's body, that was the moment you already are defeated. You can never win war when you are fighting with someone who is already weaker. We will rise. Shall we all say, we will rise? We will rise from the ashes. We will rebuild twice what they have destroyed, in fact even thrice. I will be going back. Who knows, when I go back, they might just arrest me and murder me. I don't know. But I will go back. I will go back. And I will be there for all the people who are still fighting, who are still, standing there as village volunteer. We as a woman, we were forced to take hold of guns. For once, I never believed that a day would come when I, as a woman, will be forced to take up guns, including all other women of kuki-zo ethnicity. We were forced to take up guns. Why? Why were we forced to take up guns? It's not a proud moment. The government, the state government, and the central government should hang their head in shame that a woman is compelled to take up guns. I cannot even hold gun, but I have to hold. I was holding it as I was shivering, but I need to hold to protect what belongs to ours. And we will protect till the end. I don't care whoever is standing here, I will tell you this, we will protect till the end. So this is our plea. This is our supplication. We come before the central government. What does it say? Separate administration. But we are asking separate administration under the Constitution of India. We are not asking for something that you can't. We're asking for something that you can. And please do it before more of us die. So many innocent people has died already. Please don't be shocked if you read that next day that Lhing Doungel is dead. Because that can happen once I stepped in Manipur. But I'm willing to go back, and I'll go back with pride. Thank you so much.